everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and I'm taking a look at this HaloLock wallet stand from ESR. Now this goes with any of the newer iPhones that support MagSafe. Features a secure magnetic lock with an adjustable stand and then easy card access. So I'm pretty excited to look at this because I never bought the Apple wallet. First of all, I just didn't see the point in spending all the money on the Apple one because it was pretty expensive, actually. I don't recall how much it is, 49 or 59 or something like that. But, it's just one of those things I never really saw a lot of value in. It's pretty simple, the one that they have, and you really can't use it for anything other than a wallet. Now, I did look at this one a little while ago on the channel from a company called Moft, and this is a kind of like a little stand that you can, I call it an origami stand, really. So it clips on the back of the phone, MagSafe, and then you can do a few different things and fold it a few different ways to kind of prop your phone up. And while I like this one, it also just has a few slots for cards. It's really, pretty utilitarian in that, when you take it off, it's really, just this little floppy piece here, and you can't really store too much in it. So mildly better, I think, than the Apple one, but still not great. And, it wouldn't make me want to use this, I guess. So we'll take a look at the HaloLock one. Now I do have quite a bit of accessories from ESR at this point for my phones and my tablets and things like that. I'll link to those in the description. I've done a couple of reviews on various other things. So basically, just a box, and here's the wallet. And immediately, what I notice is that this is more of like a wallet, right? It feels a little bit beefier. The leather is really nice. And it has kind of a friction hinge. So if you do take this out, you can put multiple cards in here. You can put an ID in here if you want to be able to see through a little bit. So you got two interior card slots. You got this exterior card slot. You can see the MagSafe magnet kind of embossing there. And yeah, you could probably use this as a money clip as well. So if you had some dollar bills or something, you folded it up and put it in between. You could sandwich some money in there. Have your, have a quick access card that you might want to use right away, and then you can put some other things on the inside. So I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you could feel it just snaps on, locks in place pretty good, and then that's what it looks like. So what's kind of nice is then while it's on, since it has the friction hinge, you could use that as a stand. So it goes vertical, it goes horizontal. On the horizontal view, I guess it's not as flexible because you can't tilt it, but it will hold the phone kind of, parallel to the table or perpendicular to the table. Definitely pretty good. So even if you had it on here, I can pull out a card like this. If I wanted to pull out of my pocket, I had some money in here, take the money out. I wanted to open it all the way up, have a couple other credit cards, my ID. It's all really nice package. And then you could just pop it off, put it in your pocket, put it in your purse, whatever you want to do. So very nice. And now it does have pretty good magnetic strength. It's one of the things with this other one, the Moft one. They don't really have the MagSafe thing on there. It's really just kind of, it will stick, but it doesn't have the ring. And, this one's pretty this one falls off really easily. Now, I don't know how this compares to the Apple Wallet, but I'm assuming since the Apple one, is an official MagSafe thing, it would be very similar to this. But yeah, according to the ESR documentation, it does say, though, that this is 20% stronger than the official Apple Wallet. So, it takes 1,100 grams of force to kind of pull it off versus Apple's, which is apparently 700 grams. It does feature the adjustable stand, which obviously the Apple one does not have. And the price is much more affordable. This is $29, $29.99, as opposed to, I think I said before, $59.99 or something like that for the Apple one. So the Apple one is quite a bit more for less functionality, I think, and less utility. I mean, the only thing I'll say is, like, compared to the Moft one, the Moft one is much slimmer. I don't know if you can see this, but it's much slimmer than this, but there's no utility to this, right? You can put like maybe 1 or 2 cards or jam something in there. Maybe you can put something in between here. But it's just, it's super lightweight. I don't like the material. The material says leather, but it's kind of fakey. This actually looks like leather, looks nice. Feels premium, right? It doesn't feel cheap. So again, this is the HaloLock MagSafe Wallet stand. I guess that's what they're officially calling it. I will link to this in the description of the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.